morning. My name is Ethel Anderson and I welcome you to Pinaymootang First Nation. Paying attention. If people really want to be good listeners, they must force themselves to pay attention to the speaker. When we are doing job readiness at Pinaymootang First Nation, we have 12 ladies in attendance and they will be moving on to do the framer course with Annette Head.
You might want to come over to the side, Barb.
We'll be doing job readiness in 4 communities. We'll be doing construction safety training in 4 communities, followed by construction trade skills training, dependent on the needs of the community.
These are things you're saying about yourself.
I think it's really wonderful and beautiful that the women get to further their knowledge on things, especially these women around here. There's a lot of carpentry happening in the community, but it's mostly men, right? So good, us women can get in on them.
Remember, for this end there, you got a pre-drill. Right now, we are building a deck, 12 by 16 deck. I teach them everything that they need to know for the framing part and also the math.
You don't have to worry about if you're going to make a mistake, because everybody's on the same level, and I felt stronger doing something like this.
Welcome to Pimicikamak.
We're in Cross Lake, Manitoba right now, doing drill training with drill simulators sponsored by Manitoba Construction Sector Council. There's 2 drill simulators, one's an Epi-Rock, the other one's a Sandvik, and there's different scenarios that the students go through to learn how to become drillers.
The reason why I took this course is because I've always wanted to work in the trades. I've been working on applying out to other programs that were way down south, but for this to come to in our community, actually having it here, I just took the opportunity and took it right away.
There are many different types of water meters. In this module, we will be discussing water meters commonly used in building and municipal water systems.
The course is water and wastewater installers course. It teaches the students the basics of sewer and water installations, both in a distribution system in the community and also from a plumbing aspect in buildings. You see the water sprinkler systems?
It was good. I loved it. I liked it. It's really interesting. Learning about water and sewer distribution piping, how to install them and how to do preparation cutting.
This course is taking place in Fairford, Manitoba, and there's 10 of us ladies taking this course. Half of them are in the simulator and the other half are in instructional class time.
So this scenario is tramming and loading on a trailer.
Today we're learning about the simulator, the controls of the simulator, how to position the drill.
Slow.
And the boom, and then to line it up with the holes and then put the drill down.
See if you can move the tracks and get them on top of it, because there's a new way to do this. Whoa, what's going on over there, Sheila? So the machine turned over. You want to come over here and get a side view and you can get...
It's important to bring the training into the communities where they have the family support from the community and their elders. That is very important. As they go into a different location, there's all the distractions and they can't really focus on their studies.
4 cohorts of Indigenous women will be able to gain valuable and in-demand skills in their home communities. And that's what's so important. These jobs are in their home communities.
You gonna sit on Mom's knee while she's drilling some holes?